Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today we're diving into something super exciting: video editing software. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a pro looking to upgrade your editing game, this video is for you. With 2024 bringing in some fresh options and updates, it's time to see what's out there and find out which software is the best fit for you. Let's get started. First up, we have Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, I know what you're thinking: Premiere Pro has been around for a while. But that's exactly why it's so great. Adobe has had years to perfect this software, and in 2024 it's better than ever. It offers powerful tools, a wide range of effects, and seamless integration with other Adobe products like After Effects and Photoshop. It's perfect for those who want a professional touch to their videos. The learning curve might be a bit steep for beginners, but once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. But what if you're new to video editing? That's where Wondershare Filmora comes in. Filmora is the best choice for beginners who want to make their videos look polished without the hassle of complicated features. It has an intuitive interface so you won't feel overwhelmed. Plus, it offers tons of preset effects and transitions that can make your video stand out with just a few clicks. It's budget-friendly too, so you won't break the bank while you're learning. Next on our list is Final Cut Pro. And this one's for all the Mac users out there. Final Cut Pro is known for its speed and efficiency, making it a favorite among many professional editors. It's got a magnetic timeline that makes editing smoother and faster. Plus, with the 2024 update, you get even more advanced color grading tools and support for 8K video editing. It's definitely worth the investment if you're serious about video production and want software that can keep up with your creativity. Let me introduce you to DaVinci Resolve. This software is amazing because it offers a free version that's packed with features you'd usually find in expensive software. DaVinci Resolve is known for its incredible color grading tools, but it's also great for editing, audio post-production. The 2024 version has improved performance and new AI tools that make editing faster and more efficient. It's a great option if you're looking for something professional without spending a dime. LumaFusion. LumaFusion is a powerful mobile editing app that's perfect for editing on your iPad or iPhone. Don't let the fact that it's a mobile app fool you. LumaFusion is packed with features that rival desktop software. You can edit multiple video tracks, add effects, transitions, and even work with 4K footage. Hit Film Express. This one is perfect for those who love to add a bit of flair to their videos with special effects. Hit Film Express is like a combination of an editor and a visual effects studio. You can create amazing effects, even if you're a beginner, thanks to its user-friendly interface. The best part? It's free. The 2024 version includes new 3D model support and more visual effects, making it a great choice for those who want to add a cinematic touch to their content. So there you have it, my top picks for the best video editing software in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, the best software for you is the one that meets your needs and helps you bring your creative vision to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments which software you're most excited to try out. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.